Now so far we found the angles which was in degrees. Now suppose we have been given to find out the value of tan, say 5 pi by 4. I have given the angle in radian measure. So it doesn't matter. Initially, if you find problem, all you do is you replace pi by 180 degrees. As we know that pi radian is 180 degree. So you just replace by 180 to find out the value as, to find out the values in degrees. Is it clear? Now you will be comfortable of doing this, but I will suggest you slowly you develop your habit so that you should do the sums in radian itself. Okay, but initially I will suggest you, if you face problem, you go for degree conversion and then you find out the value. So it is tan 225. So what will be the value? First of all, what I will do, I will divide 225 by 90. So this will give you what? If I divide 225 by 90, what you are going to get? So tan 90 degree into 2 plus 45 degree. Okay. Now since the multiple of 90 degree is even, so tan will remain tan. So it will be tan 45 degrees. Now we will find where this 225 degree is falling. It's 90 into 2. We are starting from here, going in the anti-clockwise direction. 90 into 1 is coming here. 90 into 2 is coming here. Then plus 45, which is coming in the third quadrant. In third quadrant, your tan is positive. So put a positive sign. So answer is what? Only 1. Therefore, the value of tan 5 pi by 4 is nothing but 1. Is it clear? Okay, now suppose we got an angle something like, sine 810 degrees. Now the question will arise, you see, it is what? 90 into 9 plus nothing is there, that is 0. Is it clear? Now, first of all, what I will do, actually, it is not falling in any quadrant. It is either coming on the vertical line or it is coming in the horizontal line. So what I will do, first of all, I will just do my first step, that is the multiple of 90 degree is odd. So I will simply write this thing as cos 0. Is it clear? Now the question is whether I will give a positive sign or a negative sign. Very important point to be noted. Now you see, 19 to 9, if you move from this point, you will go and you will come here, isn't it? 19 to 9 will come here. Now, we are neither moving in the second quadrant nor we are moving in the first quadrant. We are on the vertical line. Now my question comes, whether I will give a positive sign over here or negative sign. You can think in this way, whether I am writing plus 0 or minus 0, 0 you consider some value. Okay, just remember in that way. So either I will come in the second quadrant or I will come in the first quadrant, because if you do minus 0, you will come in the first quadrant, though you are not moving. I am saying you treat 0 as a value. Okay, so you will be clear about the point. So either you are coming in the first quadrant or you are coming in the second quadrant, and in both the quadrants your sign is positive. So 100% sure it will be positive here. So the value of sine 810 degree is 1. Is it clear? Now the question can come, sir, if it is cos 810 degree, then what will happen? Acha, let us check. So this thing will be what? Cos 19 to 9 plus 0 man lo. Okay, 9 is there. So what I will do? You have to write its what? Its complementary angle. So complementary angle of cos is sine. So it will be sine 0. Now the question is, sir, if it is plus 0, it will come in the second quadrant. If 0 we are treating as some value. Treat in that way. It will be coming in the second quadrant. In second quadrant, your cos is negative. And if you do minus 0, it is coming in the first quadrant. In that case, your cos is positive. So what sign should I give here? Doesn't matter. Whether you give positive or negative doesn't matter, because sine 0 ka value kitna hota hai? It's 0. Whether it is plus 0 or minus 0, it is 0. Getting my point? So that way we always find out. Okay, so don't get nervous while you are falling on either on the vertical line or in the horizontal line. Is it clear? Now see this problem, they have asked you to find out the value of sine 420 cos 390 plus cos of minus theta is always cos theta. So it will be cos 660 degrees. Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. So minus will come out and it is sine 330 degrees. Is it clear? Now, if you divide 420 by 90 degree, so we are going to get is it clear? So 420 I have written 90 into 4 plus 60 degrees. Cos 390 I am writing it as okay. Cos 660 I am writing it as and sine 330 degree I am writing it as now I am doing something else, in a different way I am trying to do it, because every time I have shown you plus 30 degree. Okay, now I am taking minus sign and then you check 330 degree I am writing it as 90 into 4. 90 into 4 gives you 360 degrees. So to make 330, I have to subtract 30 degree, right? You can do this thing in, 90 into 3 plus 60 degree. That also you can do. There is no problem. But now I'm trying to do in a different way, because every time I have shown you with a plus sign that the angle is falling in the next quadrant. But this time I have taken minus. Why? Because I want to show you that when the angle comes, it retreats and come to the in the previous quadrant, then what happens? Actually, we get the same result. Okay. So, in this case, what will happen? Sine. Multiple of 90 degrees is 4. So, sine will remain sine. So, it will be sine 60 degrees. Okay. Now, I will do little fast. Let me just draw the quadrant. 90 into 4. 90 into 4 is coming here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then plus theta coming in the first quadrant. Therefore, your sine is positive over here. Cos 90 into 4 plus 30 degree. 4 is there. So your cos will be changed to what? Cos will not change. It will remain cos 30 degree. Am I correct? Minus cos. Okay. And this is falling again in the first quadrant. So first quadrant your cos is positive. So positive sign is there. 90 into 7. Since 7 is there, cos will be changed to sine 30 degrees. Which quadrant it is falling? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is coming here. Then plus theta coming in the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, your cos is positive. Don't see sine. Cos. Cos is positive. Therefore, the positive sign is there. And in this case, 19 to 4 minus 30. Look it carefully. 19 to 4, it is coming here. Minus 30, it will come in which quadrant? It will come in the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, your sign is negative. So, this thing will become positive. So it will be sine 30 degree here. Am I correct? So now just put the values. Sine 60 degrees, cos 30 degrees, sine 30 degree. So we are getting what? So answer is 1. Have you understood? Now I will just mention one thing here. As I told you that you are going to get the same value even if you do the minus thing. Let us check whether it is coming the same or not. Right now we got 90 into 4 minus 30 degree, that is sine 330 degree I have written in this way. And we are getting what? Minus of sine 30 degree. Tell me yes or no. Just now we got that? Okay. So we are getting the value as minus half. Now, if sine 330 degree, if I write in this way, 90 into 3 plus 60 degree. Let us check whether we are getting the same value or not. Sine 90 into 3. 90 into 3. So your sign will be changed to cos 60 degrees, right? In which quadrant it is falling? 90 into 3 plus 60 degree. Look it carefully. 90 into 3 it is coming here. Plus 60 degree coming in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant your sign is negative. So put a negative sign. What is the value of cos 60 degree? It is half. So we are getting exactly the same value as minus half. So whether you add in that way to manipulate that angle in this way. Whether you add or subtract doesn't matter, you are going to get the same answer. Is it clear to everyone? So can you find out any value of any trigonometric ratios you are comfortable with? Now one question can come here very naturally that, sir, if this angle, we have taken all the sums, we have done all the sums, where this angle is coming to our standard values, right? 0, 30, 45, 60 or 90. But if something happens like that it is not coming to that standard value, then what will happen? In that case, you have to check with the trigonometric tables, but that we are not allowed in our entrance examination. So they will never give you such values which, this one will not fall in our standard range. Now, even if it falls in that, it doesn't fall in that standard range, then you must, suppose if this is 17 degree, let us say, then we will write directly our answer as cos 17 degree in that case. Getting my point? So don't try to, because we can't evaluate 17 degree or 19 degree in this way, okay? Other than looking the trigonometric tables which are not allowed in our examination. So generally, the angles that we will get will always fall in our standard range. Is it clear to everyone?